Hey everybody, this is Rhett. Welcome to Statistics. In this video, we'll be discussing scatterplots. A scatterplot is a graph of points, each of which represents an observation from the data set. The x variable, which is sometimes called the independent, explanatory, or predictor variable, gives the x-coordinate in the ordered pair. The y variable, which is sometimes referred to as the dependent or response variable, gives the y-coordinate in the ordered pair. In research, we wish to determine how varying the amount of an explanatory variable affects the response variable. Let's look at an example. Does it pay to stay in school? Here we have a small data set. There are two variables, years of education and unemployment rate. Which is the explanatory variable and which is the response? Recall that in research, we wish to determine how varying the amount of the explanatory variable will affect the amount of the response variable. I think in this case, the researcher is interested in how unemployment rate is affected by years of education. So we'll consider years of education, the explanatory variable, and unemployment rate, the response variable. So each observation in the data set is like an ordered pair. When I plot the ordered pairs, I end up with a scatter plot. On the x-axis, I have years of education, and on the y-axis, I have the unemployment rate. The ordered pair 5 and 16.8 is right here. And the ordered pair 12, 11.7, that's right there. Each ordered pair in the table corresponds to one of the points in the scatter plot. We could also do this in reverse. Pick a point on the scatter plot, for instance this one, and try to match it to the ordered pair in the data set. This point corresponds to the ordered pair 16, 3.8. From the scatter plot, it's clear that as years of education increases, the unemployment rate goes down. So stay in school. Let's look at how to create a scatter plot in Excel. Here's the data set from our slide. Let's highlight the data, and then on the Insert tab, select Scatter. The first option will be fine, and this generates a very basic scatter plot. I'm going to choose a different layout, one that has a title and axis labels. I think I'll choose a different theme. In this case, I'll go with orange. I don't need the series label. And I'm not going to label just this one data point. In fact, I'm not going to label any of them individually. On the x-axis, I have years of education. And on the y-axis, I have unemployment rate. We're looking at unemployment versus years of education. The unemployment rate versus years of education. I'm going to increase the font size here a little bit, maybe to 15. Here as well. And there I have a basic scatter plot in Excel. So in this video, we discussed scatter plots. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Until next time, stay real and be rational.